What's up, guys? This is Trader back with another live trading session. We are about to get it today. We have two up here on the scanner, which is MTP and APOP. These two are our low float movers on the day. I am kind of timid on them because of the news. The news today: APOP files registration statement for proposed stock merger with Quoin Pharmaceuticals. That's not just great news, so I'm definitely going to wait the first 5 minutes to see how that one wants to move. MTP also with weak news, a Form 6K, and some hype news, and it's just I'll just wait. I really don't like either one of these two, but they are very low float, so we'll see what happens. We have about 15 minutes to the bell, and we'll see what we can get. Yesterday I definitely over traded the account. It's a $4,000 account, and I traded 3,200 yesterday, so definitely left me with a smaller amount today, but it's okay because I do have a meeting literally right after I go off, so I have to go off at 10 a.m. today. But I'm gonna try to make a bit of money with what I have here. Try to pick the best A plus setup, and MTP and APOP are not looking like they want to be the best setup, so I'm just gonna be patient. I got until 10 a.m. But they are cheaper. That's a good thing. They're $3 and $5, so I can buy a bit. But we will see. Daniel B, what's on your watch list? MTP. Wait, is this one under? Yeah. APOP. The float on this one is 3.57. It definitely went through its float once. Well, a couple of times here. We'll see. Coming into 10 minutes until the bell. Can this thing hold up that $5 before the bell, or will it get going down? It's only got 20 cents to go to get down through that $5. Will this be a awkward head and shoulders here? Will it pull back under this 348, or will it continue to push? It's a very tight head and shoulders if it is a head and shoulders. Boom. Yeah, it might be 348 right there on that resistance. Okay, A-Pop still over here trying to hold up. Had a triple top up here, 545 resistance. So I really have very little faith in it. See if it goes down and breaks this bottom of the 333. I don't know if those are sellers on the bid at the 40 or what, but those are some big numbers. They did not break. See if they can hold the 40 again, or will they get blasted? Some pretty big numbers. I think they're going to get broken through. I think that might be shorts in there, waiting for the 40 break. Wow. Yeah, 40. Yeah, this is about to get nasty for somebody. A-Pop did pop out of that three bar, or that three top. What am I trying to say? That triple top. Definitely gonna let the first 5 minutes play out on this one. It's already extended. Need to see some more consolidation. It may crash out. Don't really know. Just have to watch and wait. Volume is volume is drying up over here on ETP. Very low volume coming in. Keep an eye on A-Pop. It's the most volatile stock on the day, but it does not have that volume that EMTP has. We'll see which one can hold the scanner. Nice, nice, nice. A-Pop going to the moon. Trying to catch up with that volume. I see just now hitting 10 million shares traded in volume. So that means it cycled through its volume over 3 times. And MTP is only cycled through once. Definitely not trying to play this one high. Could definitely pull back on you hard. We'll see if it can hold up this 480 level. Support. We got 5 minutes to the bell. 488s. Getting back down there and testing that 40 again. ISUN, ISUN popping up there. News. Selected to provide is solar power EV charging solutions for across America. Okay, that's kind of broad. Not really telling you where it's gonna be, just across America. So definitely wait for that one to get some more volume. Actually, let me do my little research on it first. ISUN. Okay, it has a shelf registration from 2020. It has a float of 6.51 million according to FinViz. Over at Yahoo Finance, it has a float of 5.37. So around 6 to 6.5 million in the float with the shelf registration. Six and a half. Oh, I don't think these other ones up here have shelf registration, so I'm pretty sure they'll be the where all the eyes are, especially at the open. 3 minutes to the bell. This one I'm gonna wait for consolidation. MTP. Don't really know what that one can do. So APOP will be the one that I'm just watching out of the open. We'll let the first 5 minutes close on all of these because they've already done quite a move up. Two minutes left. Yeah, APOP, man, APOP is a crazy stock. It was moving last year kind of crazy, you know, and it's just one of those I learned to just wait, because it can definitely pop down just like it APOP'd up. And all of these have pretty, let me look at the news on ISUN real quick. All of these have, ISUN has probably the best news with the charging solutions across America. But it's definitely got to pick up some volume. APOP I'm expecting to come down. MTP I'm expecting to go sideways, but we'll see on the open. Not looking to trade until after the first 5 minutes on these because none of them have news that really just makes me want to go in there. All right, 30 seconds until the bell. We're either about to see an explosion or a crucifixion or both. We'll see who can hold the scanner. Who's strong enough? Here we go. 5 seconds. Market is open. Will we see a crucifixion or an explosion? There's the explosion. Where's that red though? Ooh. Somebody's about to get crucified. A pop. None of them can hold the scanner. Okay. We'll give it a couple seconds. Let them figure themselves out. Did y'all see um Vino yesterday? Vino, Vino at the end of the day. It literally went through the roof. And I scalped it one time after market and made some money, but you know, I missed most of the move. The move started at like 2 p.m. and it went up like $3 or something like that. MTP is the only thing on the scanner. We'll see if it can consolidate. Uh-oh, getting shorted. Right? Man, I'm telling you, what pops up on my scanner, I don't know what it is about sometimes in power hour, but it goes through the roof. But I just took one. I literally looked at it and I was like, bruh. I literally traded, I think I took the trade right before the aftermarket. It went up a little bit. I sold, and I pretty much was break even on the day yesterday. So I'm still green on the week. MTP is the only thing fighting to hold the scanner. I want it to be confident. I want it to be something confidently holding the scanner though. Keeps on snapping under that 350, not looking too nice. Yeah. Tell us how you really feel. Going red on the day. A-pop back up there. MTP is about to pop off the scanner. Let's see. So this one's struggling to hold up the 70s as well. Nothing holding the scanner now. So A-pop looks like it wants to, but we'll let it consolidate a little bit. It gave a dip down here to the 550s. Still not trusting it though. Let this candle close. Ooh, are we gonna go into a halt or something? Uh-oh. A-pop back on the scanner. Just waiting. Got my hands off the buy button. Keep my hands on my face. That way I won't reach over there. $630s. Yeah, I'm just gonna wait for A-pop to complete this move. It gave a little bit of a pullback. Let's see how far it went. It pulled back here to the 549, went up there to the 634, but getting a nice little pullback now under the $6. Let's see if it can hold the 6. Let me get rid of this news so we can see the level 2. Not seeing the 6. We might see some moves down here. See if it can consolidate above this this level that it came down and touched, 550-ish. Definitely not looking too good here though. Let's see if it breaks down to 550. CLSD. 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 What is our news here? A-pop back there on the scanner as well. This is hype news, so be very careful in this one. Adjust price target on Clearside Biomedical to $18. Potential in treating wet age related macular degradation. Okay. So fixing people's teeth. Nice. All right, CLSD. Let me go ahead and look at this. What's the float on it? CLSD. CLSD looks to have a float of 44.22 million. CLSD. At Yahoo Finance has a float of 50.69 million at Finviz, and has a shelf registration from 2020. Okay, let me add all of that to my notes. So about 44 to 50 million in the float with a shelf from 2020. All right, well, nothing's holding my scanner, so I guess we can watch this one. Let's see if anyone gets destroyed here. How far did it go up? It went up from the 484 up to the 567. Nice move. Let's see if it can hold up this level here of the 542. Support. 542 looking like the place that it's got to hold. The short should be getting very, very excited around this level of the 55. If it can start eking down here to the 55, I will see the shorts entering there. Let's see, can we hold up? Okay, SNPX popping up there. Low volume, what's the news on it? Looks like hype news, or no news at all today. No news at all. It's got to get some more volume. I'm not going to touch it until it has more volume. Let's look at the daily chart. Oh, it's at all-time highs up here, so there is nothing up here. 1063 is this support level on the daily right here. All-time highs reached. That one's gonna have to consolidate. I'm just not into that one. CLSD still pushing up there. What's the range on this? From the 43 up to the 85. A nice 40-cent move. Like I said, the short should get excited down here at the 555 if it breaks back into this 68, under the 68. Right in here is where the short should get very excited. All right, let's go back here real quick. This thing needs to at least get 1 million shares traded. Come on. Looking like it wants to go, baby. I don't know, man. Starting to lose itself, isn't it? So, like I said, shorts will be getting interested right here. Break back down to this level. 554 is a nice short entry point. 554. Let's see if it happens. Work your way on back to the 554, baby. All right. Looking like the shorts are going to get what they want here. See, this one's got 30 seconds left on this candle. SNPX did kind of go back down a little bit. Come on, work your way back down to the 54. This will be the short position right here. 54. Break of that 54. Here we go. About to give us that nice red. Break the 60s. Give us that boom down. Okay, trying to hold the 60s there. Throwing a wick up there. Boy, this is a tight head and shoulders if this is what this is. Let's see if we can get through that 67 and break the head and shoulders pattern here. Come on, get through it. Break that head and shoulders. Okay, there it is a little bit. Very small little breakout right there. Give me one sec. Let me jump over here to SNPX and see what it's doing. Okay. Volume's still not there. Replacement. Okay. Back over to CLSD. Yeah, that's what I was thinking too, Daniel B. CLSD isn't going to give you those big moves. It's going to just kind of play with you. It seems like 3 cents up, 4 cents down, 5 cents up, 10 cents down. I'm telling the shorts are going to hit this one hard. Ooh, you better hope it doesn't double top here. 587 could not get up there, getting pulled all the way back down under the 75. Again, the shorts could be adding right here again, right here for the breakdown, because it's coming. Yeah, these are the stocks that I used to trade and get absolutely chopped up in. Just not something that I look to trade. I mean, just get exactly, shorts are ready. Yeah, this is literally where I'll be getting in as a short, just accumulating a position right here, because once it breaks that 55, which is VWAP, it's over, dude. Actually, VWAP is at the 13 now. So wait, VWAP just jumped up 56. Okay, this is one of those sporadic stocks that's only moving like 3 cents up. So you have to be taking what, 10,000 shares and taking it out in a second? No way. Bro, this thing is too heavy. I would be so nervous in this thing as a long. It's just so heavy. All this nice confirmation for the shorts. All these nice topping wicks. Even though it's trying to hold up this level of the 61, I believe if it breaks that 61, it's going to give a nice move to the red. Looking for that 61 break. Get under the 65. Go under the 65. Want to see the 61 break for a nice red move. Come on. It's trying so hard to hold in those 60s. Will it break into the 70s? Okay, getting bought up there. Or was it a fake? Well, this thing is sporadic. I can't trade nothing like this. This is ridiculous. I guess if you wanted to trade it and hold it, maybe it will be one of those that will be good for you. Right now, nothing on my scanner. We can watch CLSD to see how strong it's going to be. I really believe it's going to get absolutely blasted. Wow. Let's see. Moved from the 543 up there to the $6, but it took 5, 10, 15 minutes to get there. So definitely not my kind of stock. I like to get there in like 5 seconds. But we'll see if they can consolidate up here. It's still above VWAP. I'm not gonna personally trade this one because yeah. What is NVDA doing today? NVDA. Woo! NVDA to the moon from the 710s up $20. Ooh, if somebody has a pretty large account, maybe you can take like 2 shares. Oh, I mean, short this. Because at this point, this is just a short. There is no buying up here. You missed your opportunity if you didn't. If you how long you been holding that One Life? A week or so? Things going to the moon. Wow. Yeah, that is a nice move, and it's continuing to go up. I can't watch stocks like this because I end up pressing the buy button for some reason. CLSD finally getting the short attack, got back down there to the 550s. We're definitely going to see an attack to the bottom now. It covered a lot of distance here, 6 down to the 543. But we're going to wait for our stocks to come on up and start attacking so we can what is this, 545 up to the $6. That's a 60-cent move. We're looking for those dollar moves, baby. Let's go look at everything else that we were watching this morning. APOP took a little scuba dive. Like nice topping tail. MTP is also scuba diving. iSun. We'll see. Can anything get back up here? CLSD got in at 609. Back at wow, you've been holding that thing for a long time. CLSD finally getting the short attack. We could call it the heart attack for anybody that bought up here. I remember I used to get stuck in stuff like this, man. So that's why I stopped trading these types. Now I still trade dangerous stocks that can even do bigger moves than this, but they give so much run to the up or to the down. It gives you time to take that profit. 543. I'm so glad today I have the smaller account because tomorrow will be a better day. I won't have a meeting directly after this, directly after I go off at 10. It'll just be a better day because I'll be preparing for this meeting. It's a pretty nice little conference, actually, not just a meeting. So oh, CLSD. Look at the daily chart. Look how sporadic this thing was. Went up, jumped up here, kind of settled, jumped up here. I don't know about CLSD. Looks scary. CLSD paying those shorts today. Oh yeah. Boy, that is a big dip. I don't like it. It didn't give any kind of consolidation above VWAP. So I'm pretty sure it's going to scuba dive out today. The bottom here is the 531. I only expect it to go down and break that. because I know the shorts gathered a whole lot up here, because I wouldn't even been scared, especially on that news, just hype news, and then somebody just said, oh, it's going up to $18. Perfect short. Perfect short right there. All right. Is anything else coming back up into our realm of tradability? MTP. Woo. APOP. APOP kind of settling out. We'll have to watch it and see if it wants to get more moves back upwards or not. SNPX. What did you? Ooh. Nice little downwards. Okay. Red, red, red. These are ones that I was looking at earlier in the week. G-Tech. Everything just trash. Let me look at the SPY. The SPY looks like it's flat on the 15 minutes, but it is going. It did go up 420 up to the 22, but it's also on its way down. So not looking good. Everything doing that same long downwards motion right now. All right. What were we looking at? We were looking at CLSD. Something will come back up there. ALF. It's only up 2%. Got to get a lot more volatility behind that. Let's look at the ALF installs 10,000 digital screens in Ubers and Lyfts starting in Miami. ALFI installs, okay, same thing. 9 more US cities to follow. So it's getting that work. We'll see if it can get volatile today, but I'm not willing to trade it right now. So I didn't know they were already installing. I heard the news that they were going to, but they're already installing them. Okay. If you guys are seeing anything that I'm not seeing, let me know. Because right now it's fade central. Let's go look at Vino. Vino went into a halt here, opened higher, went straight up, and now it's down 14%. This is back here is where I traded Vino at the close. So I got a scalp right after this one. I got this scalp right here, and I sold, and then it dropped, went into a halt, dropped, and then I think I took one more small trade on this candle right here. It came down, stopped, I bought like very, very bottom here, then it popped back up here, and I went ahead and took off. So two nice little trades, one at the very end of power hour, and then one right there on that pop down. All right, G-Tech. Something's got to be strong today. APOP. So let's just look at the two strongest stocks. We were looking at APOP and MTP were the strongest stocks before. I'll just watch APOP. See if it can get any pops up. Bruh. Okay. Okay. More storms coming in our way. We getting hit every day. Give us like a 2-day break and then more storms. Just enough time to cut the grass, which I did the day before yesterday. And it was hot out there after the sun was going down. Still like 101. I was like, oh, the sun's going down. Let me jump on the lawnmower. Got fried. All right. All right. Hey, Pop. Something's got to go. All right. CLSD did become a short banquet. They're over here eating. It's like the $5 level is what they're. Wow, look at the 15. They push it down so much. Literally the whole green candle taking off. Crazy. Top and tail on everything about this stock looks bad. Okay, are we finding a bottom on APOP? Possible bottom. 513 is such an odd number. Very odd number there. Got a long way to get back green on the day though. MTP getting that nice rejection off the 5-minute 9. CT. You said XPEV. XPEV. Boy, these bad boys are moving. Look at the news on that one. Order imbalance. 65,312 shares on buy side. New valet parking assist function in the latest Xmart OX upgrade. Okay, nice. Too high now though. This is something that the shorts would be looking to take scalps on at some point. This one looks at $27.3 billion enterprise here. It's got a float of 4.4 million. Oh, it's up 5%. I was like, what? How does it float that low and it's moving that small? Okay, got it. That's insane. Man, One Life, you're making a lot of money on these swing trades, man. I might have to stop playing so many games and go ahead and start swinging. Do my little research. You probably bought, let's see, you probably bought like back here at the 30s. Yeah, look at that dip. You probably bought at the 24s. Gee whiz. It's a huge dip. Oh, okay, okay. Traded back in January, February. Still though, I don't know where January and February is, but let's see. February. So right here, okay. Still, man. It's a nice move to be letting some money sit in there. All right, back to the penny stock world. Something should be waking up now. It's almost, or it is 10 o'clock. Will anything fight back to an uptrend? A pop has a little bit of bottom here. The 508s. See if we can hold that up. Get back green on the day, possibly. Ford, SPY. LI. LI. Let's go look at LI. Boy, I tell you what, these EV movers are eating out here. Like the whole market is down, but EV is just not caring. Went from the 29 or 29.29 up to the 30 something. Intech popping back up there on the scanner. Let's see what's the news on Intech. Is this something that look? No news at this time. No news on this one, just, going up. Want to see some consolidation. This move was from the 70 up to the 80, so a 10-cent move. That's not really great. So definitely need some consolidation. Not gonna play with it. 10-cent move. 75. So it went up from the 30s to the 75. 40-cent move. Yeah. Just have to wait. Let me go and do my research real quick. NTEC. Alright. No shelf registrations. Float is 4.37 at Finviz. Float is 4.69 at Yahoo Finance. Add that to the note. I just say 5 million. No shelves. Looking like it's let's look at the daily chart. Oh, I already took notes on this. Must have been back in the past. This note was back here on the 8th. Then again on, or no, that's back in February or March, April. So 2 opportunities to trade that thing, but it just wouldn't do what I wanted it to do. So I kind of avoided it. Will it break down the 461? Or the 460s really? Very dangerous stocks. Yeah. Feed those shorts. Stopped on the 450 right there, but now it's down to 14%. It's going to have to show some strength. Alright, so this is why we don't really mess with no news stocks. They can be very, very sporadic. Yeah, it does look like a weak day, man. Super weak. Because usually I have at least 2 or 3 holding the scanner that are strong, but might be a power hour day again. I hate power hour days because usually I'm working then, and I really can't take the trades that I would like to take or even set up like I want to set up. But it's all good. If I have to let this 763 roll over, I'll be trading with like, let's see, it is one life. Let's wait till afternoon, yeah. Pop. Yeah, APOP kind of looks questionable. It may be holding that range to go down. It's got a top up here of 5, like the 550. I would like to see it start holding it out of that range. So like, I want to see it get up here and hold the 550. or the five, whatever the top is right there, 540s. Made a little bit of a higher low there. We'll see if it can hold it up. TIRX popping up there on the scanner. What are you doing, TIRX? Alright, so we have Tyan Holdings signed strategic cooperation agreement with Ayoung whatever road transport. Gonna have to consolidate. It's already done quite a move in the high right. Whoa, look at this daily chart. What in the world? Now, you know, we talk about crucifixion. This right here is the example of crucifixion. From the from the $98 down to the $12. That is crucifixion. Daniel B says mid to large caps stocks are about the level from previous pivotal point on the way down. All of them need to break resistance and make new highs for continuation of going up. TRX just not looking good at all. Let me go and do my due diligence. TRX. TIRX, no shelf registration. Finviz says the float is 2.42 million. Yahoo Finance says the float is 2.93 million. So I'm just going to put 3 million. No shelf. It might be getting pumped up or manipulated by someone with this kind of movement. Because with this news, it just doesn't make sense for this type of movement. Look how far it's pulling back. This was from the $7.59 up to the $8. So it's going to have to consolidate. It's got a top here that it needs to kind of hold. 783 right there. So put some support. Let's see if it can hold that up. APOP trying to get out of range. Okay. Hey, there it is. Still want to see some consolidation above this level of the 540. Well, right back in the range. Hit the VWAP, could not hold the 550. Yeah, getting rejection off the 550 there. We got to see the 50 pop up here on the bid. We want to see buyers there. 49.52 very quickly. 52, can it hold? Nope, snapping through the 50. Oh boy, looking like it's going to hurt somebody. Boy, TIRX is just popping and locking. We'll just have to wait on that one. But I will watch APOP since it has a lot more volume here. 43 million in the volume. So I want to see it consolidate in this range from the 78 to the VWAP. It's a large topping tail right there, struggling to hold the 50 once again. Go up here and watch TRX. Can we get some red here at all? Let it consolidate up there. Has a top here of the 820s, which it has already hit. So it may get some major rejection off of that 820 hit. But definitely not interested right now. Let's go back and look at APOP. Trying to consolidate outside of this range. Gotta hold up that 50. TIRX must have super crashed down. Just popped out the scanner. Yep. Pocket. I want to see another red candle up here above this level. Matter of fact, I want to see it on my scanner. That's what I want to see. Holding that 50, still struggling to hold the 50. I don't like that it's not finding a respect for the 550 there. Just bouncing on it. Not trying to drive away from it. There it is, driving away. Ah. Is that a double top? That looked like a double top, maybe. Yeah, 65. Gotta break the 65s here. A lot of resistance there at the 65. They must be hiding their share size because the 65 just has 200 sitting out there. We'll see. Bounced up there to the 65 again with a lot of rejection. Okay, APOP, what do you want to do? Can we get back green on the day? Green would be the 582. So it's definitely going to have to get up and hold that 575 before I even look to trade it. Uh-oh. Going back under VWAP. Popping back over. It's a little bit too flat for me right now. It's got to get a little bit of parabolic motion, then I'll be interested. Right now it just looks like a cup right here, and then you know how the handle ends, goes down. Perfect cup. And well, the time I said it, Lord have mercy, did I not call that? Did I not call that cup and handle? Cup handle. Oh my goodness. Well, we are witnessing some crucifixion here today. Thank you all for watching us nail these tickers to the cross. Perfect cup and handle. Literally, time I spotted it, I was like, oh, that's a cup and handle. Oh man, A-pop destroying people. That's bruh. This is why I wanted to go green on the day. It's got too much potential to go down for the shorts. Wow. Not only did it blast down from the 61, the 60 area down to the 495, then it goes into a halt. I pray for whoever got caught in that right there. That was look where it halted though. Right at that level that I marked down here. You know, the last time it did this, it went here and gapped down. So will it repeat this daily chart? Let me make it bigger. It did this same thing back here. Went up, blasted up, same level almost, and then opened this right here. So we'll see if it repeats. Hopefully nobody got caught in that. I don't know what to say if you did get caught in. Nothing you can do now. You just be down a lot. This is why I trade stocks that are green on the day. That's why you can't trade these. Yeah. Imagine having 5,000 shares. Ridiculous. All these low floats have the same trash daily charge. Yeah. We are in the trash can. We're not even in the belly of the beast. We're like, what's the I guess it would be the anus, I believe. We're in the pivotal point of being dispersed out into non-existence. And that's what just happened to those people. Oh man. Like shooting turrets out of shotgun. Alright. So let's see. Well, I'm sitting with no trades on the day. Perfectly safe. Yeah, that first candle, yeah, was very bad. What time did it halt? I want to see how low it opens. Let's see. This one halted at 10:21. Should be opening up at 10:26:20. I want to see if it's going to drop. 10:26:20. Where is the strength in the penny stocks? But this is what a no trade day looks like for anybody that doesn't take no trade days. You just sit here and you are absolutely safe because you don't see your setup. There's a day when you should not trade at all. Just watching on the sideline and observing what is going on. Exactly. Be a bystander. And this is why I have my criteria that I like to try to follow. The one that I usually end up breaking is trading what's on my scanner. Because if it's not on my scanner and I trade it, I usually lose money. Usually. No, Daniel B. You oh. All right, 26.20 coming up. Let's see how low it opens. 26.20. Woo! Spicing down there. I think it's going to give a little bit of move to the bottom still. So this is where the shorts begin in. Just like to the upside, we will get in on a dip. The shorts, look at the shorts getting in there. Little piglets. Little piglets looking for the push out. Looking for the break of this 72. Let's see if they get it. Man, it's collecting a lot of shorts. It's about to take a dive. If it breaks that 75, it's definitely taking a dive here. See the 75 on the bid? Can it break the 75? If so, it's going to take a dip. 75 sitting there looking all innocent. Can we see 75s over here on the tape? 80s, 77s, 77s. I'm just waiting. I know it wants to do it. $75 just sitting there stagnant, hadn't moved. Yeah. I don't know. I don't think Ross trades red stocks that are red on the day. I think he only trades the green ones like I do. Just something about having that green behind you. Because when you're red on the day, it's pretty much like you're gambling. You know, when it's red on the day, you're like, I think that it can get back unless it has really good news. If it has really good news, you know, it may just go back green. Let me see what ALF did. Okay, ALF just puttering around this little level. I was literally just flipping over there. But I'm looking at this daily chart and I'm saying, okay, well, it's definitely going to have to get back above the $7 level to be potent for me. It's only up, it's not even up 1% right now, so not interested. It's going to have to push up. All right, I got 30 minutes left on the stream and then I'm going to have to go and prepare for this meeting. Has been an extraordinarily slow day. Oh, looks like ALF wants to go red on the day. You know what that means? No trade. VWAP is at the 660. ALF is alien from 1970. But the thing is, it had good news. I mean, I don't know. Maybe it's a longer term investment type move. But the only problem that I have is it tried to go up 1, 2, 3 times and it just refuses to go higher than the $7. So that's kind of scary to me. Let's see if it'll take some lives out here. It's going red on a day. Let's see. Can it drop through that 55? 58. We want to see a break of the 55. Should see quite a move through that 55. I see 56s. There was 155. Can we get some more selling there? Popping off of that. Boy, we can get that break of the 55. It's going to definitely devastate some people. $55. Wow, got bought off the 55 right there. Back down. It broke the 55. We should have saw quite a bit of a move, but we didn't. Oh, there it is. Can it break the 50? Yeah, there we go. That's what I was looking for. Nice, nice, nice. So it's taking souls too. So definitely be careful all over the map here. TIRX did fade down. What was that other one we was watching? APOP. APOP still giving some moves to the down. Daniel B. Kirk in the 22s add to retirement account. Kirk. Hmm. Nice little dip down there on Kirk. Don't know where the exact entry point would be. Very low volume, so you know you won't have to worry about anything crazy happening, hopefully. We will die young. Oh man. SNPX trying to get back up there. Just trying. Struggling. See if we can consolidate. It is green on the day, so it met that specification. It is on my scanner, which it has a little bit of strength. The news, it has no real news. So it'll be a quick, very fast profit taking, but we gotta see some consolidation. Daniel B, you old man now. 1120s. It's only 1 million shares traded on this one. Did I not look this one up? Something must not have. Okay, let me put that on here. SNPX. No shelf registration. Float of 2.34. Yeah, APOP is, man, APOP always does that, man. It'll pop up, it looks amazing, and then take souls. It's like the Reaper. you know. Well, I guess a lot of these penny stocks are reapers if you hold the bag. 2.34 in the float at Yahoo Finance and 2.34 at Finviz. No shelf registrations. So I will be putting that in the notes. It hasn't even went through its float once though. 2.43. So we'll see if it can get through that 2.43 million at least once before we even look for any type of trades. It's just not there yet. And it's extended, so it's probably going to do a pullback as well. Boy, this has been the longest time I haven't touched my buy button in a long time. I mean, I haven't even grazed it. Let me look at the daily resistance up here. Oh, this one, yeah, this one's all-time highs. It went down, let's see, the 1064 was the spot that we needed it to hold up. Went down to the 990s, came back up over the 1060s right here, and we'll see if it can continue to hold those 1060s. $1063 or 1050 is where it's set. Whoops. What in the world? Why can't I just sit it there? Whatever. There we go. All right, let's put one more up here. Support line at the 75 as well. Got to see some consolidation on this one. $11. So it's got some support levels down here. We'll see what it breaks down. 11.7550. We're also still waiting for it to go through its float at least once. 2 million needs it needs a million more shares traded on it. Ooh, getting spicy. See if we can pick up some volume. What levels will it break back down? 1050 is the last level. If it breaks that, there's no point. Man, I'm gonna hate to close at 10, and if this thing runs up, I'm gonna be so mad. Not really. It's always tomorrow. Plus tomorrow I have the rest of my money. Today I'm playing with pennies. So I'm glad that there wasn't much opportunity. Usually when I have a small amount to trade, big things happen. Then when I have everything to trade, nothing happens. It's usually how it works out. All right, we're gonna see what SNPX has to offer here. Squeezing since open, SPCE. SPCE. Okay. Yeah, but the problem is it's been squeezing since open, so it's got to drop at some point, unless somebody's shorting. If you want to take a short position, maybe. But this thing has ran from what, the 35.09 down here up to the 37. So that's a pretty nice move. What's the news on it? Shareholder alert, law offices of Vincent Wong reminds, it has a class action deadline. Okay. Shareholder action reminder, the Shaw law firm reminds investors of a class action lawsuit against Virgin Galactic. Okay, so all right, well, but Virgin Galactic isn't this stock, I don't think. Let's see. Well, don't have any research on it. All right, SNPX. Can we get a pullback? Will you take souls as well today? Love to see it hold up at least some of these levels. Yeah, it's running into previous resistance. Yeah, at 15 bucks a month ago. Wow. I guess you could have took the break of the 200 moving average in here and just held it. Maybe that would have been a strat. Yeah, big money is in big swings. Love to see this thing get some more volume. Come on. It's the only thing above VWAP. And I'm pretty sure it's going to take some souls here. The way it's just sitting around. Buying volume, we've had what, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 candles of buying volume, which have not even come close to up here. There's a little bit of a pullback. Man, I got 15 minutes on this stream. I doubt it's going to be able to give us anything in 15 minutes. One woman is not enough. Pick 5 minimum. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, that works. 5 at minimum, boy. You're going to drive yourself crazy. Especially if none of those 5 can cook. Somebody's got to be, somebody's got to take care of some needs, right? All of them trash cooks, and all of them can trash talk. 1.5 million traded since open. Not my taste. Yeah, it's looking like it wants to fail 11 anyway. So I was trying to see if it's green on the day, but it's just barely green. I mean, just barely. And plus, if we look at this, it's got a little trend here, but It's just, man, where is the volume? So I guess today was just a safe day for me, a nice no trade day. So I spent none of my $700 today. Unless in these next 15 minutes something actually is moving. But I highly doubt that. Yeah, it'll be off the scanner if it makes any crazy moves. It'll be off the scanner real quick. There's some hidden sellers at the 1081 or hidden positions at the 1081 and the 1061. Also on the ask side, there's somebody at the 1134 right there, hidden. So we'll have to see what that does. Just have to wait for it to finish consolidating. Computer off. Oh, you talking about your computer? I'm like, my computer's off. What? All right. Nice slow day in the market. See if it can consolidate here, man. Wow. It's like it's not even trying to get volume. Back under the VWAP, which was the 1107. It looks like it's gonna go red on the day, man. It's gonna break down at $11. Not really seeing anything here. It's got the 1140 as a top. Hmm. Not looking good. Finally. Finally giving us confirmation that it's gonna go down. Boy, I tell you what, that thing took forever just to do that. There it is off the scanner. So it broke all of this down. Looking for it to break down to 1050 for final confirmation that's gonna fade on the day. Or not really fade on the day, but definitely fade for the next couple of minutes. It's red on the day right now. So we'll just have to come back tomorrow with the full account, ready to blast off. Fridays have been pretty good. I don't know what's been happening on Fridays, but Fridays have been pretty nice to me. Needs to break that 50. There's somebody hidden right there at the 61. That same person just sitting there. I think he's about to get broken through. That 61 breaks, it may be a big move downward. Oh my gosh, man. I hate stocks that do this. They make a nice move and then just stop moving. All right, got a little bit of a bottom there. Let's see if it breaks that bottom. We got 10 minutes left on the stream, and I'm going to shut it down. We'll be back tomorrow morning on Twitch and YouTube, and we'll be popping it off once again, looking for more opportunities. Some days are like this, no trade days, so whatever. Yeah, that's what I was looking at. I'm not even I'm not even trying to take a trade on that one. Boy, A-Pop went for the ultimate dive, man. All of those stocks this morning just failed. Wow. Well, a lot of people, they used to ask me, well, how do you know when not to trade? Well, I guess now you see. You just watch, and the thing is, when you have your criteria and your plan built up of what you want to trade and it's still not lining up, why force a trade, right? SMPX should be popping back up there on the scanner, I believe. Nope. Oh no, it's red on the day, that's why. It's got to get back over 11. Everyone is going on vacation. Yeah, everybody made their money. They probably still spending money from last year during the bug, the beginning of the bug. How I became a millionaire during COVID. Getting up there. Yeah, that's what I was thinking, Daniel B. And plus, tomorrow I have a lot more time to trade. I actually be able to trade longer into the day, hopefully, I believe. If nothing, if no contracts come up, then I'll definitely be able to trade a little bit longer. Cause I don't think it's over with. Seeing it at 11:04, but not seeing 11:04 on the bid. If you want to be a millionaire, you have to make 2,700 or $2,739 in a day for a year. Hmm. That's about right. That's about right. Back off the scanner. All right. I'm going to go ahead and shut it down. I'm tired of looking at these stocks. If you're going to continue trading, remember that trading is risky. Make sure you have a plan. Make sure you follow it, and don't do anything I wouldn't do. No, I'm kidding. I make horrible mistakes all the time. Daniel B lets me know. But yeah, this is it. I'm gonna go ahead and close it down. Thank you guys for tuning in. Make sure you hit the like button. And yeah, I'm out. And as always, I will see you in the next one. Peace.